Please like, subscribe, and consider supporting our channel. The full raw, uncensored, no narrations, no captions, and an edited version of this body cam footage can be found in the description below. Please consider joining our YouTube channel membership. Subscriptions and donations will be used to acquire more public footage related to law enforcement activities. It really helps us do original full-length reporting like this. Sharing this video serves a compelling public interest because it is intended to illustrate the consequences of their actions and discourage others doing so. Defendants are considered innocent until proven guilty. Thank you all for the support.
137 received. You could put me on 20. I see her. Hoboken Police, stop. Get back on the sidewalk.
Oh, who snitched on
137. I'm gonna be out with that female. No, you. Go over there. Okay. Just so you know, you can be video recorded on a body-worn camera. Take a seat. Were you just in the CVS? Did you take stuff?
Yes.
Okay, why?
Oh, because I wanted to.
Okay, did you pay for it?
No.
Okay. You know it's illegal?
Around 10:45 a.m. on August 17, 2025, Officer Aaron Font with the Hoboken Police Department responded to a report of a shoplifting at CVS on 59 Washington Street. He immediately located a woman matching the caller's description who was sitting down in front of the Hoboken City Hall at 94 Washington Street. The woman, identified as Michelle Rodriguez, admitted that she had just stolen some items from the Hoboken CVS. She was even wearing a stolen hat on her head.
Okay.
Hey, you can arrest me. I did it. I have nothing to do with the police. I'm schizophrenic.
She admitted to taking it, so stand up.
Can you check my bag?
Turn around.
Hi, I have a good call.
Take this from me, okay? This is yours, all right?
Please say this morning and I'm good.
Okay. The items are in your bag?
Officer Brandon Fitzgibbons arrived on scene to assist shortly afterwards. An on-scene investigation confirmed that Michelle was in possession of several stolen items, including makeup. Shortly afterwards, Officer Font placed Michelle under arrest for shoplifting. Michelle was handcuffed and escorted to the patrol car.
Okay, all right. I got you. All right, MC8, we're going to have one female in custody. Brandon the Happy. Oh, this too? All right.
You want a price up? You give me the price right now?
Yeah, we're going to get a receipt. There's going to be another officer going to meet you, Dave, and then we'll get a receipt of everything taken.
Yeah, he's on scene. She is also wearing a hat that she stole.
All right.
He's
hold on.
talking to us now.
What was the merchandise?
I took that.
Stuff. Is it earrings probably? I'm not sure what's in that bag.
I took this stuff earlier, so
Hat.
All of them.
Okay.
Thank you, Bianca.
No, this is already open. All right, that's her personal stuff.
Everything. Just took a whole lot of makeup.
All right, well, I want your personal stuff. I want to separate from what you took, okay?
Like all my clothes on. I have to go in the store? No.
No, you're
No,
coming
you're
to
going to police headquarters.
Okay?
Alright, cool.
Do you have anything in your pockets? Do you have anything in your pockets? Okay.
That's you.
I'm sorry? That's what?
And she admitted to it?
They should have been said it when they saw me.
I'll bring it all over there. I'll get a receipt.
I'll let you walk out with it. That's
And then
all
we
we
got a
got.
comb. And
That's mine, that's fine.
That's all hers?
Yeah,
Comb, clothes, ticket.
That's her fault.
All right.
That's his fault. He's a criminal. He should be arrested on the
Okay.
for letting
What's your name, dear?
All right, and this is yours
That's
as
fine.
well.
That's fine.
What's in here?
It's like, it's not weird, it's just tobacco.
It's Just tobacco? Oh. Yeah, it's a swisher. Alright, this is all the personal stuff. These are all the belongings, including the hat.
I'll get that.
That is used already. That's fine.
What, this?
Yeah.
Alright, okay. Alright.
I'll let you know the price and everything like that.
I'll grab that.
Thanks, boss.
All right, come on, Michelle.
Alright, come on.
Yeah, she's wearing hospital pants. She doesn't have pockets. I think it's locked. Yeah.
If I ever go broke, I'm gonna take you.
I haven't seen Michelle.
I'll meet you up there. Give me a second, alright? I'll
Yep.
put the stuff in mine. Alright?
Yeah. Yep. And Bianca should already be meeting us up there to search her.
Bitch, get my shit. Get my shit, bitch. Ain't no bounty hunting out here. Fuck out of here. Fuck out of here.
137. Are you transporting one female 1025 to headquarters? Starting mileage 10616. Yes, it's going to police headquarters.
I want my stuff.
It'll get there. Alright, it's going into a locker.
I want my shit. If I don't see my clothes, I swear to God, I'm gonna press charges on all y'all. I'm gonna press charges.
Alright.
My fucking husband is from Jordan. I don't give a fuck. Y'all niggas ain't got no money. I'll have all of y'all locked up. This whole fucking time shit. Why? Why?
13720 at headquarters. You could add just 0.02 to that. All right, come on.
Okay. Just gotta start some free. Thank you for bringing my stuff. Nah, I'm white, I'm not black. Oh God. I'm fucking black. And I want my money.
You
I
have a
want
seat?
my money.
Stay right there.
Nazi in there? I think Nazi is in there.
We don't have a. Give me 1 second.
The other thing, something must have something ate something. It's coming like forward. And I hear it coming from the screen, coming underneath my pool. And he was just like, I was like, oh, something's dead. I don't know how you could just tell.
Shoplifting. CBS.
Just have a seat. Have a seat, miss.
Received. We're in the processing room already. You stand up. Turn around.
He transported her to the Hoboken Police Department for further processing. She was charged with shoplifting under 2C-2011B1 and transported to the Hudson County Correctional Facility. Michelle had recently been arrested for stealing from the Hoboken ShopRite at 900 Madison Street on August 10, 2025.
She's coming in.
Yeah, she's still driving. All right, turn around, sit down.
Isn't it this one?
Nope.
Can I get some water?
Just give us a few minutes, but once we get settled, try to
I'm gonna put my
Deactivating security to the bench.
Yeah.